Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Well, we've got an adventure for you. All right, so we're here at the Alamo, and we've got our Anna with us. If you've been following us on our live show, we've been opening up the Lego Disney figures.
Yeah.
And so we found the mystery figures. So we opened up one this past Saturday, and we gave it away. But one of our fellow YouTubers out there said, why don't we send it around the world, around to all the other community members and see where she goes. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're here at the Alamo in San Antonio, Texas, and we're about to send Anna off on an adventure. So why don't you tell them how this works?
Okay, well, Anna is soon going to arrive in a mailbox of one of our YouTube friends. And when they get Anna, they are going to feature her on one of their videos. And they're going to take her around town, show her the sights, take some Instagram-worthy photos, hashtag Where's Anna, hashtag Anna's Adventures, hashtag Disney Connections. And in the description of their video, they are going to list a possible 5 other YouTube friends channels where Anna might eventually show up. So for possible destinations. Then they're gonna mail her off. Hopefully we will get Anna back by, you're thinking your birthday.
December 7th, right.
December 7th.
Yeah.
And then we'll tell you where she's been, and maybe around the country, maybe around the world, who knows?
Could be. Check it out, hashtag Anna's Adventures, hashtag Where's Anna, and hashtag Disney Connections. So follow us on all the social media, and let's see where Anna goes.
Also, so we are also going to give you an update every Saturday on our live show at 1 p.m. Central Time. So join us at Disney Connections on YouTube to get your updates.
Yeah, definitely. We're going to have a segment, so it'll be a special report, Where's Anna? So check us out in the description. Make sure you're following the hashtags and look at these other channels as well to see where she might pop up. So, all right. Well, let's send her off from the Alamo, and we'll see where she shows up. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate all your support. We love all of the comments and everybody that's interacting with us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe. And then, we'll see you back here. Find out where Anna's been. Thanks for being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.